Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do a quick little unboxing and initial impressions of the new Huawei FreeBuds 4i. Now these are the new little truly wireless earbuds from Huawei. These are the 3s, which I really like, and I've been using with my tablet because they're great for indoors. They're very, kind of iPod-esque. The fact that they don't have any sort of silicone to really keep it in your ear. So not great for jogging as far as I found. But one thing I did notice that I really kind of liked about them is they actually have a QI charging in the case. So that's temperamental. Really have to find the right spot for it, but it does work. It's weird it has to be on the front. But anyways, so just to give you a comparison between the 3s and the 4i's. So let's go ahead and unbox this here. And let's get this. And you do have a deal on right now that if you buy these, they will send you the Huawei band. I think it is 4 or 3 with that. I put it on my website if you want to take a look at it. So let's open up. Come on. Okay. That goes there. So it's got a weird, cool, also egg-looking-ish kind of shape. They didn't want to give it exactly the same shape, so they wouldn't, confuse them. Let's see what else is in the box here, just before we get into that stuff. Okay, so we just got charging cable. Okay, what else? Manuals, if you need manuals. But yeah, it's charging cable, and you will notice it's USB-C, so it does have USB-C charger there. Now, where's the little light to show that it's charging? I don't know if it has, maybe that right there, yeah. And there is, you can't really tell, but there is a button here that you would hold down to sort of reset and put it into pairing mode if you didn't have that already. But simply, all you should be able to do is sort of, with the Huawei Life app, open up the case, if there's charge on it, and let's see if it automatically connects. Maybe I gotta hit plus, add new. Okay, it's scanning. Maybe the battery is just slightly dead enough that maybe it won't. Oh. Okay, let's take a look at these. Scan again. With the FreeBuds 3, they automatically just came up very, very easily. Like it just automatically, almost like the Pixels, where they would just pop up saying, hey, something should connect to this. Okay, so it's got the silicone in there to really hold it in your ear, which is nice. It's got the little magnetic points there. It's got 2 microphones. It keeps reminding you, one here, one there, which it'll use for its active noise cancellation. And it even has an awareness mode where stuff like, cars, horns, and stuff like that, it'll stop the cancellation for you. So, and you have to listen to something, it'll be there. So maybe these are just dead, but I'll have a little review in the next little while for them. So if you have any questions about them, by all means, just give me a holler. Put them back in here and see how easy they are to go in there. Okay, yeah, figures that out. So it just takes it. So cool little device. Any questions? Shoot away.